everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna use this paper. It's my first time using it. Windsor Newton Watercolor cold press. I have this fun Prismacolor purple. Let's see if the camera picks it up. So this one, I was thinking to do cute characters, easy characters that everyone could do. So just have fun with it. So you can start with a ball, and then I like big ears. So this gives a lot of characters. This is a no mistake area. Don't be afraid. You can see that I did this this year bigger than this, but no human or no animal is exactly perfect. And if you like to draw plants, this is such an easy way to draw plants. Just like this. A line in the middle and chip, 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 chip. You just drew a plant. How easy is that? It's like a banana leaf or something. I don't know. And please note that I'm really a beginner on watercolors. I don't know anything. Yeah, lately just wanted to experiment with color. And the last time I had so much fun, and everyone liked the video so much, and so I wanted to do it again. So while this dries, I'm gonna do a color thumbnails because I haven't decided what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna use these two colors. See, don't be afraid. Just put little dots of color. The water is gonna help you do the work. If you think you have too much water, you just take the pencil and travel the water inside, lift the pencil and put on the tissue. So it doesn't, you don't have to worry about too much or stress too much where the paint goes. Have fun painting like we used to when we were kids. So I'm noticing that I feel less scared of watercolors since I'm doing these little exercises. If you guys are doing this with me, I would love to know if you're feeling the same. Now the fun part is the face. So if you feel like there's no place for the ink, you control the ink and the ink doesn't control you. So that's why I wanted to do this. Because every time I do watercolors, I feel so stressed out that the ink is controlling me, because there's always a right place for the ink to be. And even before I start the watercolor, I'm already stressed out. So I don't even start watercolor. That's why I never even had the guts to start learning. Don't worry if you go outside the line, just do like little dots. If you put more water, it's gonna be even more see-through. It's gonna be even more beautiful. So don't stress out, like I said. Look at that. Water is gonna fix everything. So don't worry about a thing. Yeah, I think I'm done, and I'm gonna let it rest, and then I'm gonna put more black ink to pop everything, and gonna finish the face. I'm only gonna do this not to hide the mistakes, because I really like that, just to pop the color a little bit more. It's so cute, I think. I love the colors. I didn't know what colors would I choose, but I went with reddish yellow, and it came out with the orange, and it's so cute. It seems like he's beaming light. He's such a positive guy, so I really like him. Oh my god, he's so cute! So what do you thought of this episode? I was really calmed down and having fun. Please make it a like for this video and subscribe, and see you in the next episode. Bye bye guys! Bye!